Hi everybody, welcome back to Chatters DIY. Sorry to everybody that subscribes and the lack of videos that have been coming out. It's been about 18 months I think since I released my last one, but I've been doing a lot of work in my full-time position, and this is just a hobby, so it's had to take a back seat for a while. Happier note, I've got a massive announcement that I'm converting my loft, and I'm absolutely over the moon about it. It's the biggest project I've ever done, and I've been waiting to do it for 8 years. So I've decided to do a series of episodes to try and cover it. I've had to go and get a GoPro because of malfunctions that I've had with my phone, so I've lost a lot of the footage, but I'll try and compensate for it with some of the photographs and have to do some slideshows and stuff like that. But hopefully we'll still be able to get across all the details that I want to get across about the design process and each part of the build. We've been preparing for this build now for about 8 years. Since we bought the house, one of the very first things that we did was taking the roof off. I'll go into a little bit more detail in part 2 of this episode, and but literally since then we started putting things in place to make this project as smooth as possible now that we've actually really cracked on with it. The reason why it's took this long is just because of funding really, and yeah, we've sorted it now. We started work January 2020, and let's see how we get on. If you want to see how it progresses, then hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Get the bell notifications. I'm expecting the videos to probably come out thick and fast at the moment for reasons that you'll soon become apparent in later episodes. Hope to see you soon. Best wishes and good health to everybody, and see you soon. Bye.